Hello to all artists. Today I will show you how to draw and color the dragon Toothless. We start with a face. And first draw two large eyes. First the left one, then the right eye. Try to make the second eye roughly the same size as the first. As soon as you are done with the two eyes, we will continue. Now we are drawing a small nose, exactly in the middle under the eyes. Next we draw a large head. Around the eyes and the nose we draw a large semicircle. At the top of the right opening of the semicircle, we draw the right ear. And at the top of the left opening of the semicircle, we draw the left ear. Between the two ears, we are drawing two small horns. Now we draw a smiling mouth under the nose. Then we finish drawing the head at the top by drawing an arc from each horn to the eye below it. After that, we draw a long left arm under the head. Next we also draw a right arm under the head. When drawing, make sure that both arms are the same length. At the lower end of the arms are the paws. So we draw a left and a right paw. I will show you step by step how I do it. Just try to follow along as best as you can. Now we draw three sharp claws on each paw. Then we finish drawing the paws at the bottom between the claws. Between the front legs we draw the belly at the bottom. Then we draw the rear left foot. And on this paw, we'll add three pointed claws at the very bottom. Then we finish drawing the belly, right between the left arm and the left leg. Next we draw a very long tail on our dragon. There are two wings on either side of the tail. However, we will first draw the middle section and then the two wings. The middle part is now finished, so let's draw the lower left wing. And now let's draw the upper right wing. Now all that's missing from our dragon are the large wings at the back. We'll start with the left large wing. I'll show you step by step how I do it. And you just follow along as best you can. On the other side of its back, our dragon also gets a large right wing. But before we finish the wing, let's draw the dragon's ears. Now we continue drawing on the right wing. When drawing, make sure that both wings are the same size. We draw the lower end of the two large wings on the back with small arcs. We repeat the same process for the right wing. Here too we finish drawing the lower end of the wing with small arcs. We have now finished drawing our dragon Toothless, and you can now color in your picture. In the next part of the video, I will quickly show you how I colored in my dragon. I started by using a light gray color. Then I used this gray to paint the head, some parts of the wings, and a few areas on the arms and legs. The tail and ears were also painted with the same light gray color. Then I used a darker gray color. I painted over the light gray color in places with this color. But I also painted over all the remaining white areas of the dragon with this dark gray color. Then I used black paint. And with this black, I painted some areas of the dragon even darker. Then I painted the very small middle section of the wings on the tail yellow. I also used this yellow for all the claws. Next I painted the wings on the tail red and black. Finally I painted over some areas with a white pen. I also used a darker red on the small wing on the tail. Finally I painted over some areas with a white pen. I also used a darker red on the small wing on the tail.